Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to show you all about the July 2022 Knitcrate. So let's jump right in and see what Knitcrate has to offer for this month. So before we begin, we can look at this month's theme, which is called Sunscape. Here comes the sun in all her golden glory, lighting up clouds in shades of rich golden yellow and red, fading away to soft mauve and retreating with a fading turquoise evening. And here are some photos that they used for the inspiration. And if you go on the back, they show you what the Knit and Crochet Club colors are. So you're going to get 2 skeins of one of these 4 colors. And then if you're part of the Sock Club, you're going to get 1 skein of one of these 3 colors. And they also have the pattern link and a double down code as well. And for the yarn, I got this beautiful red orangey color. And this is Vidalana Silhouette by Knitcrate. And the color I have is called Sailor's Delight. This is 50% Superwash Merino wool, 50% Tencel, and it's a fingering weight yarn. It's 400 yards or 365 meters, 100 grams, hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. So here is an up close look at this yarn. Let me see if I can get a little closer. But it's just that very pretty yarn. I'm not usually gravitating towards these types of colors, but I really like this one a lot. And this is a true fingering weight. Look how thin that is. Now, I usually don't crochet with something this thin, so I might just go ahead and put these 2 skeins together and work it up double. That might be a little bit easier for me to work with. But it's a very soft yarn, and you can definitely feel the little bit of wool in it, but I feel like it's still super duper soft, and I feel like it's very forgiving. So definitely like this yarn. I would have probably liked one of the other colors as well. I think all 4 of the colors in this month's crate are absolutely pretty, so you really can't go wrong with the colors this month. So that is the yarn. And then the fun extra is this cute little drawstring bag. And it just has the Knitcrate logo on it with a skein of yarn, or a ball of yarn with looks like a sunset or a sunrise. So I thought that was really cool and handy. You can never have too many bags for your projects, so you could definitely use this bag for your projects on the go, or if you wanted to just use it for school or whatever you want to use it for. But definitely going to come in handy when I am working on different projects. So looking at the booklet, I was not able to download the booklet for whatever reason. The link wasn't working, so I'm just going to show you this article that they wrote on their website, but it still shows everything that you need. So again, this is the theme, which is Sunscapes, and here are some photos that they used. And if you look here, here are the 4 different colors. So Knitcrate has different options to choose from depending on what colors that you like. So they have the Energize Me, which is the Sailor's Delight, and it's a warm orange red in the perfect shade to match a stunning sunset. So again, that's the color that I have. You're also going to get Energize Me Misty Dawn. So if you are part of the Energize Me colorway, you're going to get 2 skeins of either Misty Dawn or 2 skeins of Sailor Delight. So you're going to get 2 different colorways, and you're going to get one or the other. And then Misty Dawn is a pale and rosy lilac pink, like the first light touching the horizon. The Chill Out color is going to be Evening Light, and it's more of a bluish hue, green. And the All Natural is called Moonrise, and it's a very, very light purple or lilac color. Again, you have that extra bag so you can take your projects along with you when you're on the go. And for the knit pattern, this is called the Sunset Cowlette by Safia Tali, or the Drunk Knitter. And here are some photos of that. And it's in that really light colorway. I believe it's the Moonrise color. And I thought that was really pretty. Too bad I don't know how to knit, but this is a really pretty cowl. For the crochet pattern, it's called the Shifting Horizon Shawl by Amy Gunderson, and they use the color that I have, which is the Sailor's Delight. And this is a really pretty shawlette. So I might actually use this I might actually make this with this yarn, but we'll see. And then if you're part of this sock knit and crochet club, they have the Vidalana Heathered Sock, which is 80% Peruvian Highland wool and 20% nylon, and you're going to get one skein of each of those colors. So you have Setting, Midnight Sky, and Rising. And for the extra for the sock club, you're going to get a water bottle. The knit pattern is called the Golden Hour Socks by Heather Storta. And whether you are part of the sock club or the regular knit and crochet club, you will get access to all 4 of these patterns. And then the crochet pattern is called the Faded Evening Socks. And it's by Saban Booth of Yarn Over Floyd Natural Dye and Crochet, I believe it's what it is. So here is that sock. And this is if you are part of that quarterly retreat. But this is going to be different. Unfortunately, I don't really have a preview of the next month's, but that just gives you an idea of what this month's Knit Crate is all about. Now they do have a new promo, so if you are brand new to Knit Crate, if you follow the link below, you will get $40 to spend on your first month of any Knit Crate subscription. All you need to do is type in that unique coupon code at the checkout to apply the $40 to your order, and this is only valid to new subscribers only. So that link is going to be listed in the description box below, and you can receive your first crate of the monthly Knit and Crochet Club crate and the Sock Knit and Crochet Club free. All you would have to do is just pay shipping and handling. So you can get up to $40 off with the new promo by just clicking on that link in the description box below. In addition, if you stay subscribed to Knit Crate for 3 months, customers will receive a special gift code giving them another $40 off their 4th month as a thank you for being a member for the past few months. And don't forget, my coupon code can also be used more than one time in the Knit Crate shop, and you can take up to 20% off any non-subscription items. So for this promo, you can get $40 off your first month. If you stay subscribed for a total of 3 months, you can get another $40 off. And if you use my coupon code, you can go in the Knit Crate shop and use the 20% off coupon in order to buy any additional yarn, notions, crochet hooks, or patterns. So I would definitely take advantage of that. It's definitely a lot of fun to try and see the different patterns and see the different yarns that they have each month for the different crates. So again, this is the July 2022 Knitcrate, and this is the beautiful yarn that it comes with. I hope you enjoyed today's video on learning more about the Knitcrate, and don't forget to take advantage of that amazing promo by clicking on the coupon code in the description box below this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me, and as always, happy crocheting! Bye!